The Supreme Court, as on Wednesday, 8th of February 2023, temporarily suspended the Central Bank of Nigeria February 10th deadline on the use of the new Naira Notes as scheduled by the Apex Bank. In a 7-man panel ruling led by Justice John Okoro, the panel altered the executive order that came through the Central Bank of Nigeria based on a request brought to the court by the state government of Kogi, Zamfara, and Kaduna states. The High Court in its ruling restrained the President Muhammadu Buhari, CBN Governor Emefiele, and 27 commercial banks from suspending, stopping, extending, or interfering with the currency swap terminal dates. The order was handed down on Monday by Justice Eneche following an application by 4 political parties. After the ruling, the lawyer to the 3 state governments, Mustapha said, Zamfara, Kogi, and Kaduna dragged the federal government and the Apex Bank to the highest court because the policy is causing hardship on Nigerians, especially those in the rural areas. We invoke the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court where there is a dispute between the state governments and the federal government. It is one of the few occasions where the Supreme Court acts as the original jurisdiction. So we invoked the powers of the Supreme Court to hear this application, the senior advocate said. It will be recalled that the members of the APC have kicked against the Naira redesign policy of the federal government led by the Central Bank of Nigeria, as many agreed that the Naira redesign is ill-planned and might affect the chances of the APC at the upcoming nationwide polls.